Hello everyone and welcome to break 2412 for the 2016-17 Panini Limited Basketball Card Box. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Saturday, June 13th, 2020. It's 10:53 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:53 p.m. Central Time, and 7:53 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Cross 20 with 4 spots, Element 3, Mid 1, SH 1, Frank 1, Ethol 1, CKKT with 16 spots, Triple B Sack 1, 91st Division with 2 spots. We're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine your team or teams to break. We have Cross 20 on top, 91st Division on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Element on top, CKKT on the bottom. Element with the Hawks, CKKT Celtics. Element Nets, Hornets, cross with the Bulls, CK Cavaliers, 91st Mavericks, Mid Nuggets. Triple B Sack with the Pistons, CKKT Warriors, Rockets, Frank with the Pacers, CKKT Clippers, FL Lakers, CK with the Grizzlies, Heat, and Bucks. Cross 20 with the Timberwolves, CK Pelicans, Knicks, 91st with the Thunder, CK Magic, cross with the 76ers, CK Suns, Trailblazers, Cross 20 Kings, CK Spurs, SH Raptors, CK Jazz, and the Washington Wizards. That double purchase, that'll get you. All right, good luck, everybody. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. There are 8. All 8 will ship. There's our pack. Looking good. Okay. What's up, Suze? Alrighty, let's start with Reggie Jackson, Detroit Pistons. So we'll go through our box here and then go back through and highlight our winners. And after 24-12, this will be our final spot for bonus 72. So right after that, we'll have bonus 72. Otto Porter, Washington Wizards. Two down, 6 to go. Joel Embiid, 76ers. We have Goran Dragic, Miami Heat. All right, halfway through. Dwayne Wade, Chicago Bulls. And that is number 7 of 49, Dwayne Wade. Very nice. We have limited rookies, Toronto Raptors of Jacob Poto. And the Raptors. And we have 2 left. Let's see what we have here. DeJounte Murray, San Antonio Spurs, unlimited potential material. Camera would focus. There we go. 65 out of 99. DeJounte Murray and the Spurs. Player worn material. Very nice. Platinum basketball is gone. Thanks, everybody. Oh, Bulls. 2 Dwayne Wades. All right. 7 of 10. That's awesome. Dwayne Wade, Chicago Bulls jersey auto. 7 of 10. That is game worn material. Alrighty. Let's go back through and see who's getting what. Let's start with Jacob and the Raptors. There we go. All right, Raptors. Toronto Raptors going to SH. Congrats. Let's get Detroit. Detroit Pistons, Triple B sack. Congrats. Washington Wizards. Going to CKKT. Congrats. '76ers going to Cross Twain. Congrats. Miami Heat. Miami Heat going to CKKT. Congrats. Let's see who has the San Antonio Spurs. Going to CKKT. Congrats. The first, Dwayne Wade. /49. Chicago Bulls. Chicago Bulls going to Cross Twain. Congrats, Cross Twain. And we have another Dwayne Wade jersey auto, 7 of 10. So let's pump the brakes for 1 second. The jersey on the card, that's actually the Miami Heat. He's wearing the Bulls. Let's talk about this. So we technically have 2 teams on this card. We have the Bulls, and that jersey is from the Miami Heat. We're all about keeping things consistent and fair here at P2J Sports Cards. So we have the Chicago Bulls, but that jersey is also the Miami Heat. So what we're going to do is see who has the Heat and the Bulls. And if someone has both teams, then obviously it's going to you. Otherwise, we're going to randomize this 7 times because it's technically 2 teams. So let's slide this out. Right, we have the Bulls and that jersey. That swatch right there is from the Miami Heat. Just we're all on the same page here. Chicago Bulls, yes. And the enclosed game worn material is from the Miami Heat. So we have literally the Heat and the Bulls on the same card. So who has the Bulls? Cross Twain. Who has the Heat? CK. Again, just so we're on the same page, consistent and fair as possible. Yes, it says the Bulls. It also says the Miami Heat. Let's randomize between CK and Cross Twain 7 times. And after the 7th time, whichever team is in spot number 1, congrats to you. So we have the Chicago Bulls and the Miami Heat. Give it one last look. All right, guys, good luck. Bulls and Heat once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 is going to the Miami Heat, and that was CK. Congrats on the randomized Dwayne Wade Chicago Bulls and Miami Heat. And that was break 2412 for the 2016-17 Panini Limited basketball card box. We want to thank each and every one of you for getting into the break, and all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J SPORTSCARDS. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the final spot in bonus 72, and right after this we'll have bonus 72. Thanks.